Hi team. So how to buy more numbers in 8020? So after logging in, you will go here SMS Sellers tab and then Numbers. Then after clicking Numbers, so there are two types of numbers for prospecting. This is for the prospect SMS, and then for the NYI, they are the follow-ups like the FUP. So if you're out of prospect for the SMS 01, 02, 0 until 07, then you will need the prospecting number. And then if it's for the NYIs and the follow-ups text, then you will need the follow-up phone number. Okay, so how to buy? So you first remember this phone number, forward to. So just copy this one here. Just remember it, put it in your notes. And then after, you go here, buy new numbers. And then the area code for that area, in Dallas, we have 817. And then find numbers. And then in finding numbers, so it should have the 3 capabilities, like the voice, the SMS, and then the MMS. And then also it also helps if it has a fax. So for example, this one, we can buy all of this. So let's just say we'll be buying 3. So every number can send out 150 texts a day. So let's just say we're buying 3. 3 for prospecting, and then 3 for follow-ups. So this 3 is for prospecting. Then we can say prospecting. Oh, I forgot. Oh, anyway, let's name it 101. 1 prospecting 101, prospecting 102, prospecting 103. Then this one FUP 101, FUP 102, FUP 103. And then for the module, these are all sellers. And then counties, select all. Then lead source, it should be SMS. So SMS, 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 SMS. Senders group, so these 3 is prospecting. So select senders group is prospecting. And then these 3 is for follow-up. Okay, and then folder will be prospecting. And then forward to. So the number that I ask you to save, you will paste it here. And then buy selected numbers. And then that's done. Numbers bought. So you have prospecting, 15, prospecting. So they're already here and they're active. Okay.